Welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's quick and very helpful tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the page size in Google Docs, step by step. So if you've been working on a document and you need to switch from letter to A4 or to any other size, then stay right here. This is going to be super easy. All right, let's go slowly together. First, open the Google Docs document you want to edit. Once it opens, look at the top left corner of your screen and click on File. Now, from the menu that appears, scroll down just a little and click on Page Setup. Good. A small window will pop up on your screen. From here, make sure you're applying the changes to the whole document. Now look for the option that says Paper Size. Click on the current size. It might be set to letter. Once you click on it, you'll see a drop-down menu with different options like A4, Legal, and more. Now simply choose the size you want. For this tutorial, I'll go with A4. All right, if you want all your future documents to use this same size, you can click on Set as Default. And finally, click on OK. Just like that, your page size has been changed. Simple, clean, and very effective. Now you can continue working on your document with the correct layout. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more simple and practical tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.